Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ground turkey tacos. We'll start by browning 1 pound of lean ground turkey in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Use a spoon or spatula to break the meat into small, even pieces as it cooks. This ensures even browning and a great texture for your tacos. Continue cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes until no pink remains and the turkey is fully cooked through. This foundational step is crucial for flavorful tacos. Once your turkey is beautifully browned, it's time to infuse it with incredible flavor. First, drain any excess fat from the skillet to keep your tacos light and delicious. Then, add 2 generous tablespoons of your preferred taco seasoning mixed directly to the turkey. Pour in 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth to help distribute the spices. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the liquid to reduce and the flavors to meld perfectly. While your seasoned turkey simmers, let's get our toppings and shells ready. Warm your taco shells, whether soft or hard, following the package instructions for optimal texture. Shred about 2 cups of crisp lettuce and dice 1 large, ripe tomato for freshness. Grate 1 cup of your favorite cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack. Don't forget other delicious additions such as salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or creamy avocado slices to complete your taco bar. Now for the best part, assembling your delicious ground turkey tacos. Take your warm taco shells and spoon in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the flavorful seasoned turkey mixture. Next, layer on your fresh, crisp lettuce and diced tomato for a burst of color and texture. Finish each taco with a generous sprinkle of 1 to 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. Serve them immediately and savor every bite of your perfectly crafted, homemade ground turkey tacos. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.